Well, hello there, Sarah. Play some. God damn it, Sarah. Why must you be like this? How you doing, man? You do programming as a job why you chose to, if you aren't paid for it? Because I find it fun to do. I like doing this. And I will not excuse myself for it. I will not. He was brought upon this world to cause chaos. Well, I'd say you're succeeding because damn. You in the 1% of people who actually like their job. I think a lot of people like their job. It's just the work that gets in the way of the job sometimes. Yeah. You're gonna start a war with Gosman's mods? Over what? Wait, hold on. What? Why are you gonna start a war? I'm confused. I don't know what's going on. Then again, I never know what's going on. Okay. Because someone get for rules update, someone's gonna get it. So you're gonna give them one more chance. That's it. I mean, I do agree that everyone's are annoying. I explicitly never do them on my server because I hate getting them. I have them muted on basically everywhere. Alright, hang on, I need to do shit. I need to start with the remap, I think. Actually, I don't know shit about this. NeoVim open terminal. How do I even open a terminal? Terminal emulator, NVIM embeds an external emulator based on libvter. The terminal is presents a special buff type, async updated as data, and is received from a connected program. Terminal buffs be added with modifiable lines, can be edited but not deleted. Scroll back. They added fighter class ships. Oh, that's pretty cool. Probably needed as well. I'm just wait. Hang on, just 1 second. Do they have cubic server? God, what's it called? Dedicated. They have dedicated servers already. There will be no dedicated server. Alright, that's kind of sad. They didn't enter already existing saves. That's kind of lame. No, that should. Wait, they are coming? Just. Right, these are from like the start of May. Let me just. I'll just say, hey, there's somebody who's trying. Alpha dedicated servers? Oh no, that's dedicated servers for the alpha. I don't see anything about dedicated servers. Where'd you hear that, Sarah? There's simple ways to create a terminal buffer using terminal command. Alright, so if I go colon terminal, I should get a terminal? Alright, that's pretty cool. Wait, how do I even? Gotta make chances modifiable. Alright. Nice. Oh. What? Call NPM open turf. Roadmap says you lie. You lied? Wait, you're sending me something. Work for dedicated server-long players to host scalable worlds with up to 50 players. This ensures the world progress no longer depends on who spawned the session. Oh, that's pretty cool. But that's... Could be... Wait. I might be an idiot, but ain't that already here? Just looking at this. What do we have? End of July. Oh wait, no. July. That's like 2 months. Allowing players to host scalable worlds with the 50 players. We're getting new spaceships as well. Co-op improvements, parallel main quest progression, lockable chests, world transfer and sync issues, ability. Wait, they're gonna introduce world transfer and sync issues? Repair / buy ship speeder, ship sharing. Oh, that's really nice. Lockable chests and ships for online sessions, pooled resources crafting for clients. Oh, that's really cool though. Improving game modes and landing pads. Oh, nice. We're getting landing pads for spaceships. That's really cool. New galaxy types. Alright, I'm looking forward to a dedicated servers. That might be fun. I might be hosting one. Just to see if people are into it. Alright, where should we go? If we go edit terminal / dash. You'll host one? Just let me host it. If it's free, a dedicated server means that you run it on your machine. So everybody, your machine has to be on, and everybody can just join it as long as they know, you know, the IP address. So it should be free, but you also need to keep a machine running 24/7 to have it being useful. Alright, this is... Yeah, we have a terminal over here. Okay. It's not editable. It's not modifiable. What the heck? Oh, well. Yeah, I'll host one. Probably. Depending on what kind of specs you need. But I already have a server standing here. I've hosted a terminal mode with yeah, I've already hosted multiple other servers for stuff like Valheim or Minecraft, stuff like that. So I can host one, no problem. I can probably make you a mod as well if you want. Yeah, I'm gonna host it, sure. Don't even know if I'll play on it, but I'll host it for sure. To send the input and the terminal with A or start inserts. These modes all keys except control / are sent to the underlying programs. Alright, so. Make you only just a host? Sure, fine by me. If I press insert, can I go like this? No? Oh, I didn't have it selected. That does help. Oh. Oh, wait, I can go. Okay. So, if I go quit or exit. Okay, well, that's pretty nice. Now, I want to know how I open it. Terminal mode has own tier namespace for mappings. This can be used to automate any terminal interaction. Press escape. Okay. Okay. That's pretty nice, but how do I... You redecorated your base? You did tell me about it, or did you do it again? Hang on, let me just open my remap. Oh. Remap. There we go. Built a whole ass new creation. Damn. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna make a terminal area. So, Vim, keymap. We're gonna set it up in normal mode. We go leader. Yo, Titan, what's up? I am starting a NeoVim. NeoVim thingy. I don't even know what to call it. Doing some programming, kind of. I'm setting up stuff that I can program in, basically. Doing a lot of nerd shit. which is quite kind of normal for me. So I should be going. Hey, thanks for stopping by and saying hi. Hope to see you around, man. Alright, so if I just start it out like this, we go bash. We're gonna give the little description. Sorry, DEC. And we're gonna call it terminal. Terminal, yeah. Restart it, we press T. Oh, sorry, we press space. Oh shit, T is ready for toggle. What the heck do you... Oh, let me actually... toggle? Leader B, F7, toggles, PK. Toggle see the last... No, that's not... What? Oh wait, here it is. Okay. It's in git sign. What does it even do? Oh, it's toggle, gate, show, line, blame. Oh, it's different toggles for commands. Okay. So let me just search for... let's see. We want to see a leader. Oh. Oh wait, I don't have to escape those, right? So we go leader T. Okay. Well, apparently they're already in there. What else do... We can use C for console, I guess. What we also can do is just replace all the leader T's. I feel like that. Actually, let me just... oh, that's not what I wanted. There we go. We open the key map file. Wait. Key map? Remap, that's the one. We're just gonna toggle off that one. Restart it and see what's under the T. Oh. Space. T? T? No. I'm confused. I'm just gonna remove the T ones, I think. Yeah, that sounds for the best. If I don't know what they do, we're just gonna look for leader T. Gonna go to start and log them out. Next one is over here. Leader T, that's to enable or disable hints. Following code creates a key map to toggle inlay hints in your code if the language server you are using supports them. Alright, just gonna cancel those. We don't need the if either. Next one, those are the two, I think. So then we open the remap again. Go to the end. Remove these two. Save and quit. Press space. Press T to go to terminal. Alright, I did make one mistake already. Because... Wait, did I actually? Yeah, I need to add like... we and CR. I think C dash R? No, it's just CR. So we close it, start up again, press space, T. And it doesn't do anything. Alright. Interesting. I think we should just be using terminal. Terminal. There we go. CR. And I think I'm just gonna add a little I. You're excited for the landing pads? Yeah, the landing pads are gonna be great, I think. Hang on. Save. Save and quit. Oh, I don't need to save the change there. We start up again. Space. D. Alright, that's pretty good, honestly. Oh, exit is the one, right? Yeah, then we press space, space again. Yeah, okay. Open the rear map. Yeah, it's kind of annoying having your ship just constantly float there. It kind of looks cool, but it looks cool for a little bit. And after that, it's like, don't care. But yeah, being able to just store somewhere. And you can do some cool things, like making underground entrance for your base, where you just put your landing pad underground. Well, it's got to be open to the sky, I guess. But other than that, just having the rest of your base underground and landing and getting off from there. Something like that'd be really cool. It definitely has a lot of functions, I think. Alright, let me just copy this one. Alright, so we want a few days. First of all, we want to do it. We want to do TH for terminal here. This one just not gonna get anything. Remove these. Delete. Save it. Build a place for a landing pad that's like in the air. Oh, that's pretty nice. You just have big stairs going up and then you go up to your spaceship and go off into space. Supported by metal beams. Nice. That's pretty cool, man. Alright, let me... Space. D. Terminal. Oh shit, I mispressed. D. H. There we go. We got a terminal. If you actually cared, I would show you. I'm sorry, man. I've been busy. Don't hate me. Or do hate me, honestly. Don't let me tell you what to do. I know you're gaslighting anyway, so it doesn't really matter. If you cared, you would make time. I was out. I was visiting family. What do you expect me to do? Oh, right. I also need to do like switch step and switch view. Split, I guess. Make time. Well, I'll make time somewhere this week. Happy? That's what you wanted to hear? Wait, I actually forgot to... I think I forgot to add some tags here. What? I refreshed this? You're never happy, that's fair enough. I know you well enough for that. Oop. Also, Men's Mental Health Month. Man, I do need some of that. Actually, I do need to have a therapist come back to me and tell me I'm actually accepted. Gotta do homie checks. Well, check up on the homies. Alright, terminal. No, actually, let me just go over here. NeoVim split screen. God damn it, Sa. You can. Oh wait, you did spell homie correct. Doing homie check. Splitting windows. God damn it, you're horrible, man. God, I hate all these fucking pop-ups. Let me search through all my key maps. There we go. What is tab? Oh. Backslash T for tab? Why am I terrible? You don't need an explanation. You're checking up on the homies. Well, I do appreciate you counting me one of them. Oh, it's just tap? What do we have? Yeah, dude, you homie. Ah, well, I do appreciate it. Alright, so tap isn't really used, which I do like. That means I can use it to switch between different tabs and stuff like that. Easiest way to open the window is use the following. Alright, let's just save this. And then we just press split. Well, the screen sure did split up there. They weren't lying. Now what? Alright, so we do dot close. So we want to be able to close split and close tab. Dude, you can see yada yada yada. Alright, so we can close. We can close all the other ones. I honestly, I know it's a function for a lot of stuff. I hardly ever use it. Following command opens a window. Alright, hang on. Let me open file. And we need to do this from a telescope file browser. There we go. To open a window on a new empty file, use this. Okay. The split command can take a number argument. If specified, this will be the height of the new windows. For example, the following opens new window 3 lines high and starts editing the alpha.c file. Alright, so you entered before. Okay. We're just gonna add a new section here. We're gonna say window management. Actually, we need to bind some stuff. Yeah, we need to find out how we make this work in, what's it called? Telescope file browser. I want to see some documentation of this. I just want to be able to go a file. Oh shit! Navigation here, and I want to go like select it, and how do I even do this? Because usually, let me just check these key binds to open a file. Should be somewhere there. It should be Control O. Oh shit. Executable not found. Oh shit. Am I missing something? XDG open. Open a file in the user's preferred application. Yo, Ace, I will be having a hydrate. Huh? That's good shit. How you doing, Ace? Good evening to you. Okay. Hang on. This is not. Where's my cursor? There we go. You like the colors? Well, I did make the colors. Sadly, I'm not gonna look into colors yet. I'm just starting to get like the basics of this this program. Oh, you can contribute to this. How you doing, Summertest? Good evening, man. File browser entering units as file browser and folder browser into a single finder that can be toggled between file browser and folder browser. You can also bully Oaklook. Yeah, fair. You're just chilling. Hey, nice to hear that. It's the first time you come in here and haven't been like, oh, I'm EP. The fan was on... sorry, for a second I read the fan was on fire. Why is the fan on life support? What did you do? The fuck did you do, Summertess? Did you put beer in the gas tank? You got the heirloom car again, nice. You're always EP. That's my secret, Chief. I'm always EP. Okay, is might related wear and tear. I mean, there's like 1,000,000 miles on that thing, so I'm not surprised. Alright, let me see. Telescope. Open in new split. Go to file selection and create a split. Create a V split. Go to... Jesus, fuck. Yeah, that's insane, man. 424,000 kilometers. The flywheel's making all sorts of noises. I mean, if the flywheel's been in there since the beginning, I don't fault it. I don't fault it at all. Does add selection, actions, add selection, move selection next. Want to use telescope search from tile section. Open. By changing the ski mapping in telescope compact. No, there is a zero buffer that will open. Okay. 400 kilometers, but it has high mileage. Oh my god, kilometerage more. Yeah, it has high kilometerage. Because that rolls off the tongue like a charm. Alright, so hang on. Let me do a split again. If I go Control plus. No, I just zoom in. They fucking lied to me. If I use this plus. Control Shift equal? No? Okay. Well, they fucking lied to me. Can I go? Yeah, okay. Okay. Let me look at the... No, the file browser. There we go. Another hydrate. Here we go, Ace. Good shit. Good why. I don't want to change. Alright, so I want to use telescope. Also, you have another horrible car financial ID. Why is there no... You just made the metric equivalent. What do you mean? Also, what's your horrible financial ID? I'm not doubting it's horrible, but I'm just curious. Okay. H telescope default mappings. I forgot an S and I can type defaults apparently. No help for telescope. Yeah, no, that won't do it. Telescope. Kilo age. Actually, I like that. Kilo age is like 1,000 ages. You want to buy a build engine? Oh my no. So it is. At least get it running. Get it running like once, please, for the love of God. Kilo age. Okay. What do we all have here? From title mappings. Okay. Default not to use except for advanced users. Okay. I don't want that, honestly. Man. It runs about 1,200 euros. It runs, just need brakes. It runs, you just need everything. And at least get it through like the inspection once first. This ain't helping me. Exports, the extension exports allows control via okay. Let me just open another help file. We go help telescope file browser. Oh, there's ads. I'll just be reading this while ads are going. Here's rename or even move files by navigation telescope. Yada yada yada. Imagine seeing ads. Wait, you don't see ads? Could not be me. You'll be seeing ads. You don't see ads? Oh, nice. Lucky you. Apparently you're just not marketable enough. Mobile plus Croatia, there we go. Oh, the one you need load okay, sure, we did that. It's working. Files browser specific maps. Alright, we can have a look at that. So we actually, god, I knew how to do it. What's it like Control Enter? Fuck. Vim follow help links. Oh, it's like Control that. Okay. Can I go back? Control T? Ah, beautiful. Use the file browser. Can I go over here and press go? Just negate the last jump. That's pretty cool. Let's pre-configure. You can use the file set in space of B telescope file. Okay. Hey, that's ads over. Another hydrate. Imagine seeing. Yeah, couldn't be me, man. I just go blind. I just press my keyboard, random buttons, and usually it works out somehow. Just pure luck, I'm sure. File browser comes pre-configured with several key maps. Okay. I want to make my own. Can be configured. Picker ops. Options for the file browser picker. Inherent option. Out you can play display. Okay. That's more about how we display stuff, I guess. Wait, is it about how we display stuff? It is all about display stats. So we're just gonna go down. File picker file. Create a new. Alright, we don't need to create a new one. Actions. This might be interesting. Remap actions as follows. Local FB require extensions, file browser action, yada yada yada. Not a heart rate. Alright, hang on. I'm gonna try something here because I think. Here, let me just yank 3 lines. Oh, we can. Okay. So, what we're gonna do. Copy this. Close this. Then in here. Fuck, I forgot. Oh, I already forgot what I wanted to do. Shit. Such a fucking scatterbrain. Alright, let's go over here. File browser mappings. That's basically what we have, right? Wait, how do I switch views again? Increase size, not what we want. Then one split. Split the windows. Closing all other windows. Close the window. Moving between windows. Control W. Alright, so we can just go Control W J. Fuck, we're not. Control W. Move window to the far. Go to the down window. Oh shit, I should go X. There we go. Damn. Call me a pro or something like that. Yeah, I'm just looking at this. I'm like, why would I? I'm not gonna change that because that's just that's pretty good. Control window and then press the good direction to press the window. That's pretty good. I like that. But what I do want, let's go. File browser. We add a no, it's not enter. The mappings. Control Y. There we go. I have to go to no. I don't want to do that. Then we go over here. So can I? Oh shit. End of the line. Yo, crazy. Thank you for the raid. How you doing, Crazy? How was your stream? Did you enjoy the house flipper? Talking about sports ball and stuff like that. Another hydrate from Ace, damn. Ace is trying to drown me here. But that's what we like here. We enjoy water. Alright, so if I press Control... just Control 0. Water? It was good. Hey, that's nice to hear. How many houses were flipped? That's a good question. And how many degrees? Not even one. You could at least do like a 15-degree flip. Just once. You know, as a little treat. Can I go like... function... end? We almost finished, but you have things to do. Pfft. Excuses, Crazy. Excuses. Bowl of water. Bowl of water. Bowl of water. Can I just go echo test? Is this an option? Also, please. Alright, so we're gonna quit it. Start it up again. Redstone can't say bottle. They say ball. A ball of water. But that's something entirely... Hold on. How do you say bowl in British? Because this is also a thing. A ball. No, but that's crying. Why can't Brits speak their own language? Oh, I didn't want... I want to do the map. Mapping? Remap? No, I didn't want to do the remap. I'm an idiot. I want to change the file browser. Undefined global echo. Oh. Vim? Vim echo stuff to test? Can I just echo stuff, please? Echoing messages. That sounds good. Brits also... Oof, that's very wide. Can I just make this a bit... Yeah, there we go. That's better. Brits can't pronounce the T in words because Americans threw all of it in it. Nice. Brits also haven't invented flashlights yet. Still running around with torches. That's fair. Wait, can I do that? Hold on. Can I just go... Echo... Is this allowed? Oh no, that's just... That's an error. That's a big error. Whoopsie daisy. That's not allowed apparently. Doof. Out echo. Alright, let me try it again. Vim, Lua, echo, message. How to echo using Lua's print. Do I just do print? And film. How do I print in such a way from Lua that locks appear in does appear in messages? Alright, but that's not what I want. Flashlights to the fight that flashes light like a military IR strobe. A torch is something that torches, aka burns. But flashlights don't burn either. It's a consistent light, and burning implies like, you know, something actually being on fire. So for me, it sounds like you're both full of shit. We should just call it a lantern, honestly. I think lantern is the best one. In Dutch, we call it a pocket lantern. I think that's a better way. A shine light. I can also live with shine light. Yeah. A lantern is something different. Is it though? Like historically, a lantern is something that emits light that you can hold in your hand or put on the wall. So if you say pocket lantern, it's basically a lantern that you can keep in your pocket. Alright. Yeah, no, I'm gonna stand by that. Alright, let me see. Excuse me? How many fucking tabs are you putting in this? Oh shit, no, that's too much. Alright, I really need to check my settings for indentation. A lantern is a torch. No. We agreed on torch just being wrong. And I stand by that. Okay. So far so good. If I press Ctrl 0, I would expect a... No? Oh. I don't get an error at least. That's something. Lantern is a torch with extra step. What's the difference? What's the difference between a lantern and a torch? Hang on, where's my... no, I need a file browser. Alright, so it's not printing test? Apparently. It's Ctrl 0, right? Alright, what if we just... like 0. So we open the file browser. Oh, sorry. Space and here. And that's errors. Bad function, bad argument 1 to pair. Stable expected got a function. Oh, wait. I know how to fix that. No. Right. Let me just fuck everything up. Escape. Alright. Just with everything. Okay. So we go back to the... not the key map. The file browser. And the lantern is shrouded. The torch is a piece of long wood, aka stick with some sap or any flammable material on the tip of any light on fire to emit light. Lantern is a torch inside a metal casting using wax instead of wood. Yeah, but like a flashlight is none of those. And I think like nowadays it's made of lead, but back in the days when you used to have like the glow bulbs inside of the flashlights, I would argue that that would be like a lantern. You have something burning inside the metal casing, and it emits light. And you can shroud them. Like you can put a piece of cloth on it. So that also, you know, helps with Ace's argument. That's why I said calling a shine light the torch draw. Alright, fair. That's fair. That's fair. Alright, we have a mapping print test. Alright, why is this wrong though? Like when I open this... Oh, it just gives me a lot of errors. So let's quit everything. Let's not burn. Yeah, I mean, I did say like in the metal candle is also a lantern. Metallic. Boo file browser. Okay. So for some reason, this just fucks everything up. Oh, no, I delete the match. Alright, I just want those 3 lines gone. So now we open the file browser. There's no error. That's good. We go to the settings, and we have to look at this. Yeah, I mean, less so burn, but back in the days when you actually had like a glow torch, glow thingy, light bulb. Fire plus stick is torch. Fire plus stick plus metal is lantern. Okay, so far I'm with you, but I do yeah, I know. I still stand by torch being a lantern being correct. I think that's still correct. Alright, let me look at this again. Was there an example over here? This was the file, yeah. Your custom insert mode mappings. Oh, oh wait, I know. I should do this. Wait, do I open it normal? 1 plus 2 is 3. I need proof of that. I don't believe you. So this is... I think we're just in insert mode by default. So create a new mapping over here. What are you saying is 3 is 7? No. I think putting a torch inside metal is how you would create a lantern. No, sorry, not lantern. The lantern. Dark lantern. Torch. Like, it's being a lantern that's small enough. Like, the extra plus, it's small enough to put in your pocket. That's why you call it a pocket lantern. That's the +4 there. Is this what being high is? It depends on the person. Not for me. I would shut the fuck down. I become really antisocial when I'm high. I would never stream high. That'd be horrible. You never got high. Probably smart. Alright, let's see. If I go navigation here. If a string expected Lua string. Okay, well that didn't work. But how big are your pockets? Pretty fucking big. Wheat's expensive here and also illegal. Yeah, wheat's relatively cheap over here and only somewhat illegal. Only theoretically illegal. All drugs aren't really readily available. Also illegal. Yeah, you kind of get that. I mean, alcohol's probably pretty cheap and available over there. Ain't it everywhere in the European world? Alright. I'm gonna go back to the... Not the remaps. Available? Yeah, dev. Cheap? Fuck no. Beer Croatia price. Fuck off Google AI, I don't want you. Average prices in Croatia. Alright, let's get some beer. Go away. 2,5 to 5 euros for half a liter? Exclamation mark 9. What? Yeah, but I don't trust the AI. I count as a raider for myself. I love that. Beer price net. I don't even know. I don't really drink. Usually. Only at like family events usually. So I wouldn't know what it costs in like a bar. Can I go for like beer? Domestic beer, half a liter for 6 euros. 3.5. Yeah. That sounds about right. Used to be sub 1 year. Yeah, I remember. Like back in 2018, I went with some friends to. It was Croatia. It was Czechia. And we could get like half a liter beer, like pretty good beer as well, for €1, and that was not a good idea. All right. What did I fuck up over here? 0.33 liters Heineken costs €3. Damn. Blik Heineken. Let me just look at like local supermarket. What do you get? That's like 8.6. Oh, that's half a liter. There we go. Like 7 divided by 3. It's 2.3. Damn. Jesus. I mean, Heineken is relatively local here, so I can imagine it being cheaper. I say relatively local as if Heineken is not from the Netherlands. What the heck? Right, let me open my navigation. Errors! God fucking damn it. Okay, where do we get the error from? Plug in telescope.lua. Nope. Run command, load command, extension file browser. Right, line 70 is the one that's fucking up. So let's have a look for. Okay. Well, everything's fucked up. Relatively local maintenance test. Yeah, I know. I said it and I was like, wait, that's just incorrect. Why is it like that in English? What do you mean? If it's Netherlands? Oh, you mean the difference between Netherlands and Dutch? That's because the English didn't want to differentiate between... yeah, we call it Nederlands in Dutch. But the English can't differentiate between us and the Germans, who call themselves Deutsch. That's why you get like Pennsylvanian Dutch in America. Yeah, I mean, Dutchmen would call themselves Nederlanders. But yeah, we're being confused by a Deutsch. In America, well, English speakers don't care to differentiate, and they still don't. I'm still being bullied. It's so rude of everyone. Alright. Oh, wait. Yes, okay, I'm just being an idiot here. What do you mean everyone? You're calling me a swamp German basically every day. Don't act like you're innocent. Wait, you do? Actually? Right, if I press Ctrl O, I would like to execute. You are not innocent. Maybe your country is, but you? Nah. Alright. Look at that. There was not an error when I opened a file browser. So if I press Ctrl O, it doesn't really do anything. Yeah, bitch, no difference between Deutsch and Dutch. Oh, I do appreciate that. You just refuse to call me by, like, my proper nationality. Which I also kinda, you know, I gotta respect it. Okay. Well, at least it isn't crashing anymore, so that's progress. Also isn't really doing anything, but that I do suspect that's because I'm using it wrongly. So we're gonna... Fuck, how did I open a new window again? Split the window, split the window. Oh, it's just... split. And we have a new window, and in the new window I can look for... what was I looking for again? I think it was key maps. Oh, remap, right? You don't know the difference between North Belgian and Dutch? There's none. Well, they have weird G's, that's about all. And they probably have better food. Hang on, I got an idea. What if I just... copy Okay, no. We can press Control J. Oh, sorry, K to go up. So it's saying Belgium is Netherlands, and are you Belgian? No, Belgium is Netherlands, and they are Dutch. At least the northern part. French can keep the south part. Okay. I just want a little example of something. Map toggling, FP toggle. Right, I might just be doing this in like the wrong mode. How far are you from Köln? Hang on, let me look where Köln is again. Oh damn, oh yeah, that's all the way south. I'm pretty far away from that. Let me just, without doxing myself too much, I can check from Zwolle. Yeah, it'd be like a 3-hour drive for me. Are you gonna be going to Köln? Why are so many small countries in the Balkan? Why don't... Ace, no. Maybe you will. I might actually hop over. Might be worth it. To meet up with you? Yeah. Yeah, let me know. Like, if you're going there. Isn't snowy in the same area as well? Probably July. Well, keep me posted. Might be nice to hang out or something. I might get a hotel for a day or something like that. Can probably make it work. Snow is more in Düsseldorf. Gotta say, man, oh, Düsseldorf. I mean, that's really fucking close. Right under... Oh, shit. Right under... Yeah, I was about to say, that's pretty close. Alright, hang on, let me just close this. Close this one as well. Open it. Open my file browser. Oh, shit. File browser. Press Ctrl O. And nothing happens. Just an hour bus ride probably with like city transport. That's pretty nice. That's pretty doable. And like I said, it'd be like 2 hour to 3 hours drive for me, but I think that's worth it. Depending if you want to go to Köln or north. I mean, if you're going along the border north, that's way easier for me. I don't mind that, but... Okay, okay, what if I just say, like... Just want to do something arbitrary. Just want to check out if it works at all. Like Bremen, Hamburg. Another hydrate. Whoop. Get that hydrate for you. Nice. How far are you from Bremen? Bremen. So we just get Zwolle again. Oh, that's, yeah, whatever. Whatever, man. Bremen. It's actually Bremen, not Bremen. I'm not gonna fucking... Alright, okay. Let me just get a clean one over there. No, click to remove. Okay, let me just click. Yeah, it'd be about the same. But like I'm a bit north from Zwolle, so I probably won't have to drive all this part. So yeah, that's still pretty close for me. Alright, what if I just go over here like fb.actions.go to home there. It's a definite meetup. Yeah, for sure. For sure, man. Oh shit. Okay. Attempt to index. Okay. That's kind of weird. Would expect that to work. Alright, there's ads coming up. I need to refill my water and go to the toilet, so I will be back in a little bit. Alright, I'm back. Ads couldn't be you? Oh, I need to get a hydrate and go. Nice. Alright, God, I do need to get this going. I don't even know how to properly debug this. That's the hard part. NeoVim. Oh, NeoVim. Log for testing or something like that? I'll get another hydrate, Ace. Alright, let me get back to the file browser.lua. What if I just, yeah, indifferent global. Okay, so this doesn't work. Oh, it's FB underscore actions. Undefined global. Oh no. Actions dot. You go eat something? Alright, enjoy dinner, man. Why is the documentation lying to me? I don't like it when the documentation lies. Okay, let me just... We're going to try it with the function again. So we go function. You miss foods. Why didn't you make some foods then, eh? Print test 1. No, you don't want to make food. You just want to eat it. Is that how it is? What? Yeah, there we go. Fair enough, though. That's how I feel most days. Alright, so over here we add a comma. We go for normal mode. We also want to go like C-0 0 equals function with an end, and then we want to go print test2. Restart it, open the file browser, press Ctrl O. I don't see anything printed anywhere. Okay, so maybe print is... Oh my god, this file's atrocious. Alright, so I want you there. I'm gonna put you over here. So what if, instead of print... Actually, yeah, I know everything's fucked up. Work on it. Can I go like dash telescope? Hang on, let me just have a look at the maps for telescope. Oh no, we want to grab. I want to look for the files for something colon telescope. No. Okay, we want to have a new window at the bottom. Oh, sorry. What? Wait, what? I was going like, alright, create a window. Copy to the... What? Copy to the left? No. Line with trading space. Okay, we don't want that. Control W. Move window to the far... Oh, right. We need to do split. There it is. Split. That's the one. Okay. So then over here we can go looking for the... Actually, it was the one with colon telescope. Then we move to the one at the top. And we go telescope. File browser CR. So theoretically, open the file browser. Oh, sorry, wrong. I would go. Alright, that's just key does not exist for telescope actions, telescope file browser. CR. The key does not exist? What? Alright, we fucked it up again. As usual. So we go back to over here. Key does not exist. Is it because of the... No, right? It couldn't be. Open this. Key does not... What? I'm so confused. Oh. We open the file browser Lua again. Okay, well, this doesn't work either. I think that might confuse me most is I'm trying to follow like the example they have with FB underscore. Wait, for root extensions, file browser, mappings, and we go like C dash H equals FB underscore actions dot go to home there. Save it. Check if the file's correct. It doesn't give me an error. Alright, so we quit it. We open it again and attempt to index global and nil value. That's really confusing to me. Okay. File browser. Oh, no, that's not the one we wanted to, this one. Okay, Oh, the one I want to did everything after that. NVim, Lua, NVim, test if keybind trigger. Triggered. Detect key is bound to something. Figure out which plugin is responsible. That's not what I want. When you found the keybind is not triggered the command you expect. You can check what the keybind returns via colon map. Start doing the jump. Go everywhere. Could have possibly had a thing defined as a Vim nullify. Vim notify? That sounds really bloody useful. Notify. What if we go vim.notify? Displays a notification to the user. Okay. Okay. Well, that might be... So, once again, we go C-C control-0 equals vim dot notify test1. We copy it, we paste it over here, remove all of these. We also get rid of some of these. Write it, do it again. Okay, so they are triggering something. So if space NH control 0. Damn it. Actually, for some reason, like when I start it up, it does show test1 twice. Which is interesting, because I don't think I told it to. File browser mapping is vim.notify. Okay. Are you just being executed for some reason? Remap. As part of the setup, you can remap actions as you like. Default maps can also be found in this file. A local file browser is whatever. Require file browser's actions. Alright, you need to import those if you want to use them. So that's useful to know. Telescope file browser setup ops. File browser ops local defaults is whatever. Themes get that, okay. If values mapping, if fpconfig.values.mapping, then default is that. Is there an else here? No. Attach mappings. Okay, but honestly, this doesn't really tell me anything. In particular, file browser consists main picker, actions, make actions accessible for remapping and custom usage, finder, low level findings, you need to access what you know. Okay. Okay, so these get executed for some reason. I don't really get why. Which is interesting. So if I just open the file browser and I am like, okay, what's going on here? It doesn't really show anything, it seems. Also, it doesn't really show me anything. It doesn't show my own keybinds, at least. Maybe I can't use numbers for some reason. Alright, it's definitely got to be in like the insert mode. That's for sure. Not normal mode. Can I just, let's say, if we go Control O, What if we go Alt, Alt K? Oh, we don't need uppercase, we want lowercase. Right, we open it, we go Alt K. Oh, that goes. Let's see that again. Open. There's something on Meta K. Meta R is removed. Meta R is renamed. Control K is preview scrolling. Oh, Meta K is result scrolling, right? Okay, so that's already bound. Okay, hold on. I think I'm gonna stop doing this over here. Not remap, the file browser. Alright, we're just gonna remove these 5 lines. Start up again. Then we open the telescope one. The decoscope? Telescope.lua. You know what? I'm just gonna Google this. Let's see how other people fix this. Telescope open in new split. Open file in. If I open file with Ctrl V, it open as a file vertical split on the left side of the NVIM. Just look at this again. Go to file selection as a split. Alright. So we can look for something. We can go like one have this one. Then we'll press Ctrl X. Okay. Want to use telescope to search from some text file names and open several of the options. No, that's not what I want. Well, maybe I'm just an idiot and it already is there. So if I go Control V on this one. Oh, that's Yeah, that's just paste. That's not really what I wanted to do. Control T for a new tab. Alright, so now I have 2 tabs open. I quit this one, okay. You know what? Actually, I need to get used to it, but Ctrl X to do this. You can go like look for my init.lua and press Ctrl. Oh no, Ctrl V doesn't work. NVim WSL CTRL plus V. NeoVim can't copy paste. The visual block mode not working because of Ctrl V. Okay. Please go away with everything. I don't need all these pop-ups. Just access paste is bound to Windows terminal settings by default. As now the only thing that's worked to disable that behavior. You can do this by pressing Ctrl Shift comma. Oh wait, I can just hang on. So over here we go Ctrl Shift comma. No, wait, that didn't want to open Visual Studio Code. God damn it. Let me actually just go over here into settings. Is there a settings.json thingamajig? Another hydrate. Let's go. I'm sorry, I did think my mic hit. Sorry, my bottle hit the mic there. That was not the plan. I do excuse myself for that. Okay, sure, but I wanna see like some settings. How do I open the settings.json? Let's look. Open default settings. Open settings file. Oh, it opens in Visual Studio. Oh my god, that's horrible. Please don't ever do that to me. Ugh. Can I? That was horrible. I didn't want to do it like that. Give me an file explorer. Go over here. Remove this. Open this one in Notepad++. Finally look at it in a decent way. Alright, so over here we want to see the paste. User.paste, I want Ctrl plus Shift plus V. And for copy we also want to add Shift. Alright. I'm not sure if these will work immediately. Oh, they seem to. Yeah. So now if I go Ctrl Shift V. Yeah, there we go. Oh shit. Okay. At least that works. So now if we go to telescope, we can press Ctrl V and there's a vertical split. Okay. 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 So open file. This is already fixed. We don't need to fix this. Open new terminal. That is something that we need to fix. Oh, I finally feel like I'm doing something. We spent only, what? 1.5 hours. And I threw away everything because I didn't need to make it. I love programming. I love torturing myself. Alright, open new terminal. We want to open new terminal. In like something. Terminal here. Terminal in V-split. And there's going to be one more. That's going to be open terminal in split. Just normal split. We got V-split and we got normal split. Now we just need to figure out how we do this. What if we just go I'm just assuming it's dash V split, right? Yeah, alright. So we go, oh, not there. Hello? Yeah, insert mode, there we go. We go V split, CR, terminal Y. Okay, so we close it off. We go press T. Only terminal split. Wait. Oh, did I forgot to edit? Yeah, they're all TH. They shouldn't be that. So we got TH for here, TV for T vertical split, and TS for other split. So we go T vertical split. Oh. Okay. So we go T S for normal split. Oh wait, I didn't. Oh, let me close this off. Key remap is the command. Yeah, because I actually didn't edit that because I'm smart like that. Right, so we go split CR to do the split, and then we go terminal I. Right, save that, open it again. Space, terminal, split. Then we go stop. Alright. Can I Oh, I can just go dash. Okay, that's nice. So alright, if I press escape twice. Okay, yeah, okay. So I can just type in here. Oh, I fucked it up. I really fucked it up. Okay. Let's quit this one. Start a new one. Oh, that's not the right one. We go terminal split. Then we want to go to normal. We go terminal horizontal split. Oh, it doesn't do that one. Terminal. Oh, sorry, vertical split. Modify. Cannot make change. What? Echo test. Test. Okay. So do this. We want to go have a new terminal. We want to go V split. There we go. Okay. So this there. Now over here we go exit. We say colon E, colon Q, sorry. We colon Q this one. Okay. Alright, so we got terminal. Actually, we're just gonna go with splits. I think that's easier. Yeah. I think for now, most of these are alright. Like, being able to open a terminal in different places is pretty nice. The only one I really want is like slow words. My word. I can do words. Yeah, okay. So, if we go to like init.lua, we find a map function. What I would like to have, go insert mode. Another hydrate. I will grab another. Wait. Good hydrate. Okay, so if I type like map, it already shows some things here. But if we look at the map, it only shows like key, any, func, any, desk, any, mode, any. I mean, my real question is, control O. Wait, where's my, oh, that was the wrong one. Okay. So I press G, O, map. Alright, so this shows me all the ones, but what if I wanna see documentation? Open workspace symbol, yeah, sure. You can apply for unemployment benefits every week, but I'm still not approved to even get the money yet. Wait, what? How does that work? Do you still get the money even though you're not approved yet to get the money? What happens if you're not eligible for your unemployment benefits? Do you have to pay it back? What? I'm confused. Go to action. Go to definition. Alright, so D. Alright, there's a definition for map there. I still have to look at my file to see if I qualify, but until then I'm supposed to apply every week in case I do get it. Oh my lord, that's government efficiency at its finest. I mean, gotta say the unemployment, the way unemployment works over here is also kind of useless. Because you have to apply for jobs like you have to apply to 3 jobs a week, no matter if you're actually capable of doing that job or, you know, being able to get that job. So that's a fun thing. I'm happy I never got into that position. You have to do 5 a week, no matter if you're like qualified to do a job as well. You're doing 15 a day, yeah. I can imagine. If you want to get a job, that's really fucking annoying. Yep. Fun. Really fucking fun. Okay, I honestly think I got most of what I wanted. I actually didn't really do a whole lot. I just learned a lot about how things are already done, so I don't have to make it myself. So that's good. What are we doing here? I was setting up basically a text editor. Like this command line text editor. And you can make it, you can make a lot of cool stuff in here. You can just look for all the files or search through all the files at the same time. Like, oh, I have like a terminal thing set up somewhere. And you can look this way. Yeah, it can do a whole lot. I just started setting it up and I'm really fucking bad at it. I spent almost 2 hours at this point and I basically wrote like 5 lines, I think. Actually, let me get status. How much did I do? Yeah, I added 5 lines. And what's in the Lua thing? Let me look. Init.lua. What's the diff over here? Oh, I commented out one thing. Let's go. So yeah, I did like a few minor things. It was mainly learning about how to work this and, you know, how I can eventually add my own comments. I learned I could do like split. Like having 2 windows at the same time and switching between them. So that was a cool learning experience, at least. Oh shit! How do I quit this again? There we go. Yeah, all right. Another hydrate. Jesus, you are drowning me. All right. Honestly, I think I've done enough of this. And I want to play some games. So what I'm gonna do is grab a little snack. Ads are starting in like a minute, and after that we're gonna be playing some Enlisted. So I hope to see y'all in like 5 minutes or so. Wanna play some Enlisted? It's time. Alright, I'm back. Startup enlisted. Whoop. And we're ready. Actually, let's see if there's anything over here. Yeah, we're just gonna do some BR5 to start with, I think. BR5 is a good point. Oh, already at BR5? Okay, let's go. Join Annie. Wait, why is the research on Japan lighting up? What's going on over here? Oh, I got the cheery unlocked. Okay. Don't really care about that. Let's switch this one out. Come on, we can get some... Artillery fire. I hate getting RT kills. I never get them when I try. Ooh, found a match. It's the will. Where in? I'll get you next game, guys. You got like a few minutes to react to that. Well, you should have been faster, man. I'm blaming you. God, this first point is gonna be annoying. You can get really stuck on this first point. Boom, boom. Alright, gonna be fine. We shouldn't be running over here, so we're just hopping into this building. Okay, make sure the boys are quiet. Ready for a smoke down there and get a spawn. Boys can build a spawn. The boys will be building this spawn. I saw movement. I see movement. I also see movement. Oh lord. They are Lopez. Okay, man. People over here? Where'd they go? Just gonna assume they got taken care of. Right, my spawn is hopefully built. A lot of explosions around here. Let's see if this... Oh, fucking hell. That's pure skill. For the lack of it. However you want to define it. Alright, there we go. Points clear. Nice. Oh, woo! What the fuck was... Oh shit! The tank's alive! I don't like that. I thought the tank was dead. Well, it got blown up, so it's fine. Lost stuff over here and just nothing over there. Not gonna get a big indo. APC. Alright. Smoke down the end of the street again. I don't know. I'm getting shot at from somewhere. I don't see it. I'm just gonna assume it's fine. That's how it usually goes. I saw you guys entering. Bombard the Rustiki. Wait, didn't I? I need to kill an aircraft. So I guess we're getting up in the sky soon. Oh shit. I did see them in time. Ah, fuck. I saw them, but I got shot in the back. Nope. No on the point being. Oh god. Okay, well we got a big part of that. SU-9. Ah. Yeah, of course. I don't have my LA-7 geared in anymore, but that's kind of useless with the jets existing. Right, let's hit some planes. I did most of the point capturing so far, so I'm hoping somebody on the team will step up. Gonna get one aircraft. Seriously, man. I saw another red dot. That's also an enemy aircraft we can kill. Come on. Oh, Jesus fuck, he drifted. Where are you going? I'm going. Oh. I thought I hit him for sure, but apparently not. Well, I guess we're just dropping bombs and dropping down. I did get my aircraft kill, right? Yep, that's what I wanted. Oh, we got 2 even. I see shots from over here, so we're just gonna jump there, kill ourselves, get a new spawn going, and hoping it's gonna be enough. Alright, the boys are capturing the point, so that's good. Yeah, I'm just gonna drop over there. Let's see what happens. Oh, I want to have some fun with the RNM. I don't know which way around it. Oh, oh shit! Somebody is in the window over there. Oh lord! Oh lord! Why the heck did they hold the bolt action? Okay. We basically just need to clear it out once, I feel like. We got enough pressure on the point, we just need to clear it, get on it, and we win. But they probably have a spawn back here. So if we manage to hunt that down, it will be good enough. Yeah, I hear the spawn. Just gonna ignore their shots. They can hurt me if I don't see them. That's the spawn. How about to say, I saw movement next to me. You wanna have this tank move? Oh, hello there. Alright. That's the APC. Ah, fuck. It's fine. They can hit me. That's another tank. Oh my lord, there's so many tanks. There's so many tanks. Come on, team. I believe. I know I shouldn't, but I believe. We captured it. Nice. Alright, we're just gonna go around here. I'll build a spawn on like deep flank. Hopefully the team can use it as a jump off point. At least that's a goal. Is that tank alive? No, it ain't. This is a cheeky place for a spawn. Nice bit out. Bots, please. Please run away. Bots? Hello? Thank you. Finish it off. Oh, fuck. Wait. Over there. Well, guess we need to defend the spawn. Mr. War ___ Emmer. I was about to say, there's bound to be more. Only got like 3 of his guys. Oh shit. Okay, there we go. just... I was about to say, let's just double check if there's more enemy. Oh my god, that's another fucking squad. You start up enlisted, and of course, you get the ones battling for you. Nuh-uh, we don't do that here. Did my gun? Yeah, my rally got destroyed. /ban. The user you're trying to ban doesn't use. Oh. Go. Ah! Oh my. I'm capable. I swear. I swear I'm capable. Just not right now. What? Eh? The fuck? Why can I not ban this user easily? What action? No. God. Being an idiot and I don't know why. Let's try it again. Nice ban. This one. There we go. Only took me like 5 tries. Oh god, the team is swarming. Holy crap. We only have spawns on the other side though, so let's change that. Oh. Oh shit. Wait, behind? Oh, gorillas, of course. Gorillas? Good band though. Okay. Okay. I see how it is. Well, at least we kept it. I didn't do shit there, but we kept it. We captured it. Sure was kept. Yeah. Okay. Get me out. Get me out, please. There we go. Whoop. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. There it is. Finally found a bloody window. Drink a little bit of water. Oh, nobody's looking at it. Oh, I see them moving. I see them moving. Right. Let's try to hide behind that smoke. No, no, no shooty. No shoot. No, 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 no. Okay. Bit of shooty, but not at me. Oh god. Oh no. You promised not to ban Zaha yet, and that's supposed to like entice me? Oh fuck. When you want to be a mod, Ace, there will be absolutely... Oh, there will be appreciation from me. If you want to. Although I gotta say, promising not to ban Zaha, that's against you, man. Like usually I don't really get enough people in here to actually need a mod. But I just really fumbled up the copying and pasting of the name there. Okay. Let's set up a provisionary spawn over here. We killed Hodor. Poor Hodor. Didn't deserve that. Oh shit. Wait, what the f- I just built that! Brother. Please. Where art thou? Alright. Just gonna hope the teammate took care of it, and we're gonna build a new spawn. This is so fucking far out of the way. Might as well be in Narnia. Still building it. I know the way here. There we go. God. I'm so capable. Bots went active? Hey, that's not a bot, that's a player. I thought it was one of my bots. Rally point. Alright, we need some more, honestly. 140 from objective? What? We got 140 back there? There we go. You gotta do a T-back if you're building a spawn. You know, there's no other ways to build. No other way to build a spawn. Oh, mate, Jaren. Oh, didn't want to press that button. I saw somebody running over here. Hello, anybody in here? No. Oh shit. There we go. People over there. People over. There's flamethrower firing over me. Feels really oh shit. Everything's exploding. Is this on EU? I'm playing, I don't know, I'm queuing for both EU and NA. So it could be. It could be. How are you doing, Hannibal? Welcome on in. You're playing a bit of Enlisted? Actually, let me check. What's my ping? What's the keybind again? Oh, what was Control 50? 50? I don't know. Soviet 143 light infantry squad? What's with the 143 light infantry squad? I don't know anything about that. Oh shit, there's an enemy. There's multiple enemies. I don't like a full auto on these semi-autos. Hello? Spawn? Spawned. Yeah, the BR5 stuff is pretty much death fact. Oh, I don't know, man. I honestly don't really care about what people say are death factions and what's not. I've played Tunisia Axis when it came out, so I really don't care about death factions. I usually just queue up BR5 any or BR2 any. I usually go for like any team. Come on, let me hit a fucking headshot. You always suffer when I play them? Yeah. I mean, sometimes you have bad matches, sometimes you have good ones. Hey, thanks for the follow, man. Do appreciate it. Oh, shit. Let me just build one. But yeah, sometimes you have bad matches, sometimes you have good matches. I really try not to pay attention to it. I just try to have nice games. Build spawn, support the team, you know. Default stuff. And just have fun. Even though you're not winning, you can have a good game. Oh. Okay. They got me. They got me good. We're doing pretty fine though. I need to get arty kills. I hate getting arty kills. I do love having the Armman though. Yeah, are you Soviet main, Hannibal? Or do you just play whatever you, whatever works or doesn't work? Oh, hello there. 143 light infantry squad, 9-man with 1 MG gunner, deep into 9. That's amazing. It makes you lose your shit when you're building randomly, your team's get, yeah. I mean, I've played way too much of this game, and yeah, sometimes you just have shitty teams. I try not to let it bother me, because that just really takes the joy out of the game. You play all factions, nice. That's pretty based. Ah, god, this point is just nade spam. Nade spam all the way down. Okay, we're gonna get an APC in there. We're gonna try to drive all the way around and get a sneaky outside spawn. We're hunting our spawns by now. Where do we spawn? Yeah. But yeah, what I usually do if like it just doesn't work out and the team isn't working, I'm just chilling in the vehicle. You know, I honestly try especially at the start. But if it doesn't work out, I'll just kill in the vehicle, try to hunt some of the enemy spawns, just trying to get some kills, focus on the battle pass tasks, that kind of stuff. Please let there not be a tank. There's another tank. Yeah, I believe the tanks spawn on like the inside courtyard all the way on the other side of the building, so it's pretty safe. We're gonna be able to drive over here. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull back a little bit. Gonna get nice at the 50 meter. Bit up against the wall. 51. Yeah, like there. And we have the sneaky outside spawn. Base teammate over here building a spawn. Lovely. And now we have BR2 weapons because I use the APC in all my lineups. That's fine. Fun fact, the most in a PPS equals about the same. Damn. Wait, for real? I mean, I'm just kind of assuming the PPSH is not as overpowered as it is in game. I like this map. Yeah, same, man. I've back before the merge, I played Berlin like the most by far. I really love Berlin. Okay, well, that went pretty well. Am I gonna move the car up? Yeah, I think I am. Oh shit. Maybe not. People are looking over here. Yeah, okay. Might not be a good plan moving the car up. Bolt action boy, bolt action boy. We're using BR2 guns. This is more bolt action distance than anything else. Down to one. Pinged him, but I can't see him because of my own ping. God damn it. Oh, shit. Headshot. Nice. Okay, well, that seems pretty good. Yeah, we're just gonna leave the car there. I think moving it up with the skill hits. That one has no ammo, this one has no health, it's fine. Love how Soviets had SMG spawn in real life. I mean, apparently unless it's being realistic. Oh, I saw... Oh shit, around the corner. Fucking bastard. Wait, yeah, new realism for enlisted? Oh. Okay, let me just go over there. Did I fire it up? I didn't fire it off. We have 2 tanks barraging it from outside. Okay, man. Boo, what are we doing? Building a new spawn is what we're doing. Just gonna spawn here and build a spawn on the outside. We got tanks like holding the whole area down. So we can just relatively safely run over there. I thought I spawned in like the middle courtyard. Soviet are a strong faction in terms of infantry weapon in my opinion. I tend to agree with you, yeah. Soviet has some really good gear with the Fedorov and the AVT-40. Yeah, that's good shit. But I think like the Japanese, especially their semi-auto. Oh no! Why is there somebody over there? Dang it! Okay. Well, we're not building a spawn over there. Yeah, I think the Soviets are my favorite faction to play. Although, like I said, I do play all of them. Oh, there is an enemy. There we go. I'm not used to this hallway yet. Didn't used to be there. I'm just gonna set up here. RD-44 is very strong as well. Yeah, I don't really like MGs in general. I don't like the movement buff you get from them. So I tend not to really use them. I only use them if I need to do them for like a battle pass thing. Oh shit. That's that, that's that. Of course there's somebody to my right there. APS 36 hits hard, yeah. It's also really nice to aim, which is an upside. Although, yeah, I did just mention it, but generally I don't like the full auto mode on most semi-auto guns. It makes them really hard to aim. Oh, they have a spawn over there. I heard it. GG. Yeah. Oh shit! I need to change my nickname decorator. All right. There are ads coming up in a few seconds. Do any of y'all want to join? Just let me know your in-game name if I don't know it, and I'll send you the invite. Right now I'm doing BR5 any, but I'm fine with playing honestly anything. I don't really care. I got presets for most stuff. But this week, this Ace was complaining about not getting invited earlier, so definitely getting him in. You want to join some Hannibal? I'll just put off the ads for 5 minutes. Oh, hey. I needed to pin that. Let me actually... There we go. Thank you, random notifications. Just giving Hannibal like 20 seconds to react. They want to join. Maybe later. You're in phone right now. That's fair enough. You're fine with BR5 any? Ace? Giving you 20 seconds, otherwise I just started. Yeah, alright, let's go. Let's get it. Bolt actions. Let's cycle that one out. For an aircraft. Kill 12 enemies. I need to get my arty kills. Another hard rate. Yes, sir. Oh, nice. One of the better Normandy maps. STUs. Ah, fuck. I forgot to change my my decorator. That's classic Tim and that's classic Carter. I wonder if they're teamed up or not. Wait. Bearcat. New battle pass is trash. Wait, you mean the whole system or this particular battle pass? This first point is kind of annoying. There's not really any good places for spawns. Actually, let me just get my SMG boys. Both. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm kind of up in the air about it. I don't really care that much. I didn't really use the gold orders. I had like 30 of them saved up when they went away. So I went on a big buying spree. But I generally don't use them. And this way is just like you're getting a few weapons and you're using them. But I get it's annoying, especially if you know, play particular factions or stuff like that. And this one, yeah. I mean, same difference. I don't really care about it. I get them because, you know, I just get my gold back. And that's nice. Oh shit, it's like a panzer. Don't care about the yeah, that's fair enough. That's one I'm just not gonna use at all. Alright, come on. Wanna get a radio call. I deserve a little radio call. Right over there. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Oh no. Oh no. Why is there an enemy? Where is that spawn? They were so close together, they must have had a spawn there. I think I just shot my old bot though. Actually, I was just complaining about like semi-autos. Semi-autos being full auto, but I actually like the T20 at full auto. I don't know why this one vibes with me and the others don't. Man, I captured the objective. Did I get 3 more arc kills? That's improvement. But yeah, it's kind of sad they took away the choice. I do see the argument though, because they were making a lot of weapons that basically no one was really using. I'm gonna get an APC in there, I think, and just drive. Maybe we cap it, but I'm just gonna like go all the way to the right and try to get a little bit behind them. Oh, did I get stuck behind the? Okay, random floating bar. The team is not on it. The team most definitely is not. Alright. So we're gonna do something extremely stupid. It's probably not gonna work out when I die. But fuck it, we're gonna try. Because I think there's a tank to my right over here. Oh. Yeah. Oh, please get him, Ace. Please. Ace. That's one job. Oh shit. This wasn't bolt action. This is BR2. Come on, get under there. BRB. Alright, see you in a bit, handball. No pressure done. Kaboom. Fuck. I have 2 more explosion packs, and that's all we got. Alright, maybe we can sneak the APC past though. I doubt it, but we can try. Whoop. We're just gonna drive. Oh no, no, we're spotted. We're so fucking. No! It's fine, it's fine. We're low profile. The tank can see us. We're definitely not marked. We're not gonna get shot in the ass. Alright, behind the building. We're safe behind the building. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, there we go. 51 meters out. 50 meters out. Beautiful. Oh, stay away. Fuck. God damn it, Tim. Please, somebody kill Tim. Before they blow up my APC. Ah. Nobody killed Tim before they blew up my APC. Oh, well. Oh. Oh, that's friendly. I saw movement and it spooked me. I didn't need to. 100 meters out. We can go like 1 building further, right? There's a ping on here, but there definitely won't be anybody in here camping. Right? Alright. Set up spawn. And the team is just going off on that other flank. Holy crap. Head. Oh, there's more. I think that might be a spawn. Classic Carter. Yep, we just saw them somewhere else. Oh no, that was Tim. Mr. Timothy. Hello. Goodbye. I hear another spawn. I did hear another spawn, right? I'm sure it's fine. Send the boys to the point. Right, there's basically no one here. Alright, this one still has ammo. Got a lot of guys on the point. So I'm sure this will turn out fine. Wait. There we go. They're probably somewhere around the building. Fucking wiped off the point. Alright. Time to hunt some plane. Yeah, we need to get a plane. Oh. Mark one. There's another one, right? Yeah. Oh, we got 2,000 pounders. Just gonna go for the one tank. We'll see what happens. We missed the tank apparently. Got 5 kills though, so that's fine. Don't see the other plane. I thought I saw one flying earlier, but... Well, we'll just go to resupply and keep an eye out. Don't need combat flaps. Alright, we got another plane up apparently. And there's still a tank. We can go for a tank, I guess. Turning. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, damn. Those are nice bombas. I see shots from over there. Didn't really get any good markers. I also got a way back, so I'm just saving up my bombs for that. Alright, we're just gonna drop them in the middle of the point. Well, maybe one like behind the point, one on the point. And we die. We're just gonna get to the next plane. Actually, no. Let's see if they bring in a plane. Once we see a plane, we hop in the plane again. Okay. Get Artie over there. Oh god, that of course. That's a jet as well, so I'm not gonna fight that with my bomber plane. Get the boys to the point. Non-aggressive. And aggressive. Hello, is that Link a rickroll? Sure it isn't. I would never rickroll you, Reggie. You know that. How you doing, man? Good evening. Oh shit. Hello there. How you doing this fine evening? Oh. That was a horrible spawn. No, that's friendly. That Artie sure wasn't friendly though. Got one more Artie kill there.
Make it easy on yourself, buddy.
Give me the end of my finger. Sorry. I'll behave. I'll bloody behave. Ooh, I do hear a spawn though. Ace is going for it as well. Thank you for clearing it out, Ace. Just fine. Looking for looking something to entertainment. You're in the wrong place, man. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Oh, bad gameplay over here. That's for sure. You know, business as usual. Oh, there's enemies over there. Let me actually try to clear it out. It seems unfortunate for us. Just need to hit. Guess you're just doing the right thing. Guess I just do the right thing to do. You will make my match even better. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Mr. Reggie, be gentle, please. That's fine. If you want, I can switch over to EU server and one faction. Don't really care. Right now I'm playing BR5 Annie, but I can do whatever as usual. Oh shit. Why can't I see what they're writing in chat? I don't know, you should be able to. I'm reading it. So, sounds like a skill issue? Uvu? You uvuing me? Alright, that's an enemy airplane. That's 2 enemy airplanes. And I want to get at least one of them. I see one flying over there. I don't know, man. I just see it in the chat. I don't know what to tell you. It's working fine for me. Works on my side. Come on. Please don't J out. Did you J out? Next target, I guess. Bloody coward. Wait, how I see what? How I see is that link for... I'm sorry, man. That's not a full sentence. You want to know what the link's about? Well, you click it. It takes you to a thing I made. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Got him. Well, they J'd out, but whatever. Now you see what the link is for. Oh, right. Mine and 2 fingers are different entities. Are they at least influenced by one another, or, you know, are they just absolutely separate, no fault between them? Nice, got the tank, you got Aqua Woman, got the fortification, you got the strategic thingy. Oh shit, there's a plane. I see 250 kilogram kills. I can fly faster than that thing. Whoop. It's on my tail. I can't outturn that. Oh, it's just also a chat. Well, I'm just gonna boom and zoom, I guess. Drop my bombs, go back to the ground, try to get an arty. Oh, I already asked for it. It's kind of rude doing it twice. I'm sorry, team. Bonk. Just think it's the right one thing, proceed to right. Oh, yeah, I do it as well. I do it a lot, actually. Especially if I'm talking. Like, if I talk and type at the same time, I often just type while I'm talking. Which is kind of annoying if you're like streaming, programming, and you're talking about something else. And suddenly in the middle of the code there's like Dusseldorf. It's like, why the fuck is Dusseldorf in there? But yeah, we're talking about Dusseldorf. That's not an enemy. Well, it's Ace, so you know. Potato, potato. Nice, nice, nice. Load of kaboom. That one's dead. I'm gonna ignore the spawn. Just go, oh shit. Hello, big creator. Let's go over here. Got Ace on my right side. And I got a place to build a spawn. Just a nice ditch. There's a lot of bombs behind me. Ah, we turned out fine. Bit rough, the webpage, but I guess for brackets fine. Oh, what's rough about it? Just the design, you mean? Because I will admit, design is definitely not my strong point. I was really happy I could just copy enlisted layout. Ah, damn it, okay. Active battles, probably because things are firing at the general area. I mean, if you have like any particular pointers, please do tell me, because there's definitely good ideas out there that I don't have. Shit, fuck. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Need a rally point. I got a rally point. That's one more arty kill for me. Oh, there's nobody in there. Why am I peeking like that? There's a Tonka out there. It's not marked anymore, but I'm pretty fucking sure it's still out there. I did see quite a bit of enemies out there. I didn't see a thing. Oh shit, that's an enemy. Fuck me. Oof. Okay. How about we drive in an APC over... I'm just gonna assume the tank wins this battle. Then I drive over the road and we have a perfect APC. I see no possible downsides to this plan. It's not really initiative, like you open the webpage. Yeah. Yeah, that's fair. I just don't really know what I would change to... Oh shit. Oh, that almost worked out. I don't... Yeah, I mean, I can have a pop-up like, hey, if you're new here, or a big question mark at the top, but I feel like people would miss that. Maybe just select, like, there's default plus missing weapon. Yeah, the main focus was getting the perks in there. The weapons, that's... The biggest problem is I want to save all the data in like a URL, so you can just bookmark it and have it that way. But having to add all the fucking weapons in a list, there's a lot of weapons out there now. So I just focused on the perk points. That was the thing I was actually making it for. Also, GG's Ace. It was a nice game. I still need my fucking artillery kills. 2 games in. Still haven't got that. Put it in the name, I guess. Yeah, I mean, does it say enlisted squad manager like at the top? And yeah, enlisted perk manager or something like that. Just go. Let me just open it. Yeah, it says squad manager, but that's not too clear, is it? Remember? Ooh, thank you. I did absolutely forget again. Forgot. What? Change nickname? No, change nickname. Decorator. Where are my flamey boys? Flamey boys. There we go. Yeah, I mean, looks perk manager, something like that. Maybe it should just open like you have the .outlook.dev. Like if I open it here, it might be clearer. You just have like the whole overview that you know from enlisted. Perk calculator, yeah, could also be something. Yeah, maybe opening it like this will be a bit clearer. You're like, oh wait, I know these perks, and it's like, oh, I can do +1 or double click. Yeah, that might be a thing. That might be a thing. Thank you for that, Reggie. Yeah, let's fucking get it. Fucking get another one. Oh, you wanted to either join or snipe, by the way, Reggie? Well, didn't hear anything. Let's see. Blood where? Sorry, what? He is online. What do you want, Death? What do you want? I can just go EU BR5 any? Or you want a particular faction? I don't really care. You play whatever. Or you want it in a team? Also, okay, alright. I'll just count you down BR5 any. I'll count down from like 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's see if we meet the mighty Reggie. Big Reg. I can do English, I swear. Lederbahnhof destruction. You're meeting the rusty Reggie. Rusty Reggie is still a mighty opponent. I don't think we're meeting him today though. Oh, we are! Mr. Reggie is here. He's joining us for a bit. Or he's already disconnected. No, he didn't. Sad, yeah. I'm sorry, Reggie. You're on our team now. Why is my FPS so fucking low? It was like 30 FPS for a second? 40? What the heck is going on in this stuff? Oh, there's powers dropping. Judging by flight. Yeah, sorry, Reggie. Right, it's 50 FPS now. What the fucking is that? This is not what I'm used to. Oh, there's just enemy and friendly powers dropping at the same place. That's gonna be an interesting race to the bottom. No one? Usually the hallway is just very fucking crowded. There's an enemy. And there's my death. And everybody's gone. Oh wait, that's a friendly boy. Oh shit. Oh shit, Aussie. Thanks for the raid, man. How you doing? Oh, I am lagging so bad on this map. How was your stream, man? Oh shit. Fuck. Okay. Well, that went alright. Yeah, welcome in everybody. For those who don't know, I'm Ugluk. I play a lot of Enlisted, and I also do programming on stream sometimes. I made a little tool for Enlisted that helps you think out how you want to perk out your squads. You're gonna sleep. You went for 8 hours? Damn. I thought you only did that with Enlisted. Well, happy to hear you had a nice stream, man. I hope you have a nice sleep. And thanks for the raid again. Oh shit. Capping what? Oh. Of course. I die under capping. I see how it is. Come on, let me climb. Huh? This map does... Yeah, I don't know what it is. It never was like this, but suddenly I got like 30 FPS on average. That's not what I'm used to. I know, it must be this map, but I can't imagine why, honestly. Oh well, we suffer, we learn. And we hope it doesn't happen next game. Yeah, like I said, usually this map's pretty good for me, so I don't know. So, hello East, how you doing? Were you playing the Battlefield? Oh shit, okay. You're playing Battlefield 1 as well? Okay. Wazy! Welcome back. Happy to see you again. This or the factory map? The factory map? No. Wait, you're asking my preference? Because I prefer this map highly above the factory map. Oh shit, okay. Need enemy coordinates. Oh my god, okay. But yeah, Berlin's probably my favorite campaign to play. So I will pick most Berlin maps over any other map. Although the Berlin conquest they added along the street. You have frame issue? Alright, no, I'm usually pretty good on the factory one. I used to be pretty good on this one as well. There's a spawner here. That's a spawner here. Hello spawn. Little present. There we go. Oh yeah, this one's usually fine by me. I thought I heard the second spawn for a second. Oh, they didn't plant, that's good. We'll now hear that nice satisfying boom in little... No! Ace! Ace! Okay, you just added an extra present. I'll allow it. We'll see who wins the lottery. There's another one over there. I don't have a AP mine anyway. But they finally went for the other objective. The stolen, not yet. Not until somebody spawns there. And then we'll see if it gets stolen or not. Gonna keep a little eye on the kill feed. See who gets an AP mine kill. Double the fun. You know, it's all or nothing. Nobody over there. Somebody's just... You just... Alright, that's pretty fun now. Just lean walking around the objective. Ah, I got the kills. There we go. 6 anti-personnel mine kills. Didn't get stolen after... Oh. Over there. Thank you for walking in the line, I guess. Oh boy. That guy just spawned there. MSC Peter. MSC man Peter. There's somebody behind me. Oh! There's a friendly one behind me. I was correct. There was somebody behind me. Oh. All these fucking anti-personnel mines. Who was asleep, got woken up by a weird noise and he saw lime on. Nice. There are worse ways to wake up. There's a lot of AP mines over here, damn. Enemy aircraft. I need to get my artillery kills. I guess he was complaining about being rusty, but he's still like above me on the board. Oh, get him, Ace. We can do another lottery. Oh, Ace. Good. Wait, they planted? You'd actually be paying attention to the game, I guess, but we're kind of really fucking stomping them. Also, did you discover what the noise was, East? Or are you just gonna ignore it and pretend nothing's wrong? Oh, there's more. Of course there's bloody more. Good, climb. Somebody's used. Oh my god, the force for nades as well. Nothing over there. Oh shit. Alright, that's fine. Wait. I was about to say, the moment I look away, somebody comes. I figured it out. What was it? What's some kangaroo? I don't even know. Are you Australian? I'm just kind of assuming because I see you on Australian streams at Australian times, but I'm also there. I'm not Australian, so that's kind of, you know, confirmation bias. That's not confirmation bias. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I missed all those shots. That's fine. Just gonna pretend they hit. Volume back, let's see. Yeah, that's the best. No. Well, okay. That's fair. You are Australian. It was not rude. Someone was calling. What kind of noises were they making that you woke up from that? Just gonna throw down Artie over there, I guess. Don't think we're getting 2 Artie kills this game. Oh shit. No, let me climb. Damn it. Apparently I can climb that. Oh, that's friendly NPC. Is this 50 meters out? No, it's 35 meters. Come on, let me get, yeah, there we go. Oh, I love the Iron Man 50. Such a fun gun. Hello. I deserve that. There is somebody over there with a sniper. I'm not winning the duel, so I'm not even gonna try. We did get 0 kills with an Artie. Gotta get like all the other tasks done. And then it's like, yeah, we still do need the 1 Artie. Climb. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, I thought my whole squad died there, but no. Just the 1 guy. I had one more other. Which way around you want it? Oh shit. Anyway, better try sleeping again as well. Alright, good luck with that, man. Hope you have a nice sleep, and I'll see you around. Thank you for stopping by and chatting for a bit. I always appreciate it. Oh! Ace finally mark. Yeah. Yo, Milf Hunter. How you doing, man? Thank you for the follow. Good luck with the games. Thank you very much. Oh. Alright, let's see who wins this lottery. I think I want to know against the Ace. What are you building? Something rude? Yeah, how are you doing, Milf Hunter? How's your evening treating you so far? I don't know, man. It's just this map as well. I played like 3 or 4 games before this. Yeah, it hurts to play as well, believe me. It's really fucking painful. I don't know. I never had it on this map. Ah, there we go. But, oh god, they planted. Yeah, somehow it just goes to like 30 FPS. Other maps were fine earlier. So yeah, don't know what's going on. Only map is stable for use is Steel Mill. Oh yeah, East Hollow was talking about that as well. Yeah, like I said, this map usually is so stable for me, so I don't know what's going on. Hopefully this game's almost over, so we can go back to like having a normal 60 FPS. Come on, Bradley. Like, if I'm standing still, it's just 50, well, high 50s FPS, but once I start walking, it drops to 30. I do not know why. Oh my god, they really build here. They were fucking building. Yeah, I really hope so, man. Because it's just... It's annoying to play, and I can imagine it being annoying to watch as well. But, you know, I can just stand still and it's fine. Finally cooldown. I bet they had like one sniper lying somewhere. I'm just gonna sit still in a corner. I think that's the least painful. Holy shit. Somebody killed himself with that. Oh, somebody's firing the Ampoulemet. Yeah. We're just chilling here. Somebody's actually firing? What the fuck? Alright, there we go. Oh, that was kind of painful. It was a good game other than that, but the FPS was just really painful. Nice. I take it. Reggie beat us out there. Mostly on the one vehicle kill. Alright. Battle task, battle task. What do we have? 25 semi-autos. 2 more artillery pieces, I believe. You wanna try another sniper, Reggie? Also, if anybody wants to join, just let me know. Just waiting for Reggie to confirm he's ready. Well, normal, I've been trying to mod of you, but you think you must kill me. Alright, well, I'll get another countdown. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hopefully you have better luck this time. Alright, sorry, I had to communicate something. D-Day is what I call a good miss, fair enough. We got Dutch Nazi Koring on our... oh god, the Führer. I can't believe that name's allowed. How do I get out of the bunker? There we go, that's just a nice stable FPS. Nope. Wait, what? Dropping again? It does that sometimes. That's kind of what I'm used to. Oh, wait. Are the natural spawns like all the way back? Yeah, it's all the way over there. Into webbing. That is barely enough. Actually, no, I disagree with that. New webbing maps are pretty good. They're way better than the old ones, at least. What hit my guy down? That's enemies. Okay, let's see. We got spawn up. There's enemies in front. Right there. Hello? Hello? Oh, well. With that aim, not really good. Actually pretty horrible. Where is my APC? There it is. Yeah, we can dart like an APC over there. Get the second spawn going. Wait, did the Dutch guy... I know they died once, okay. I was about to say, did they just wait until they could spawn the plane? But no. They just rushed. Whatever, it sparked beautifully. 10 out of 10, no objections. And send the boys to the point. Wait, no, go to the point. Over here. I believe the devs are going to be added shit to maps webbing and D-Day to fix them. The problem is that those maps have core problems. Oh, what do you mean the core problems? What core problems are you talking about? Oh, hello there. Because I do agree with D-Day, but webbing seems pretty fine with me in general. I might be missing something, like that's absolutely possible. More likely than not, honestly. Is that friendly bomba? That is friendly bomba, and it did not take out the APC. Oh no, they're also taking the point, but I need to take out the APC. APC. Ah, god damn it. And we lost the point. Okay, well, that's doubly sad. We're also not really doing anything, so that's no points for us as well. Ooh, there we go. Can I build here? Nope. We can build behind this house. Straight D-Day is awful, and webbing is just straight line. Yeah, I do agree with like the terrain in D-Day being awful. I think webbing being in like it used to be really you had to go in a straight line, but ever since they updated it, you have more flanking opportunities, and that really helps it out. Because before that, you really had to go in a straight line. That was just, you kept throwing soldiers at the enemy. And that's all you did. Now you can at least kind of sneak around to build spawns. That stuff's actually worth it now. So I think they really made improvement. Unless they make a entire city webbing or triple number of buildings, move all the points, they're not going to fix them. I know, like I said, it's... I don't mind some maps being just different. Like, I don't inherently mind a map being straight lined, as long as you have options about where you go. And I think webbing is doing fine enough. I think the update really helped it. Oh shit. Let me zoom in, holy shit. Wait, is it me or is that thing just moving way too far? Alright, got it, never mind. Pure skill. No luck. This is still kind of struggling. Like it's mid to high 30s now instead of mid to low or mid to high 20s, but it's not the 50 plus FPS I'm used to. Might be the heat though, my PC struggling with the heat. If I suddenly disappear my PC is struggling with the heat too much and it decides to shut itself down, because it tends to do that sometimes. Yeah, fuck. Alright, they updated the FG as well, or they buffed it, if I remember correctly. Now, if I could just aim, that would make a difference. American tank destroyers with good speed, just Americans with niche their armor. Okay. I know, I didn't expect it to zoom that hard. I need semi-auto kills. Which means I must play with friendly, with the semi-auto guns. Oh. I thought it was a AT gun. I think it might just... No, it's not. It is an AT gun. I was right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. My rally point got blown up as well. Active battle near all the other rallies. This is what I'm used to. Do I have any... I don't have any radio man over here. Nope, not a single one. Okay, let's go over here. Try to build a spawn. I doubt it will be very successful, but we are going to try. Oh shit. Already firing at us, they know where to look. Right, boys, run to the point. Okay. Well, was expecting a full squad to follow there, but no. Can I build there? Kind of. Kind of build there. Let's see how the point's doing. Point seems to be doing well. I'm sorry if that's a friendly that's getting hit by my flames. Me? Not aiming and just blindly firing in general directions? I would never. The shit. Oh, they wiped the rest of the squad off the point. Okay, okay, I see how it is. Get him, Ace. Oh, semi-auto kills. Oh. Well, not with this. Not with these, I ain't. Or let me just hop in. Nice. Points still clear. Clear enough, at least. Oh, that's... It shot at me, so I got scared. But no, they were friendly. Dark Dragon Wars 1. Okay, man. That's like an awesome browser game. Really blind. No caller radio. In fact, not caller radio. It was a really bad moment to run out of ammo. And the coolness at distance is just ass. You need to play that at close range. Fucking slaps at close range though. I hear a spawn. Where's the mark? Boop. That's what we do to spawns. We got one friendly on the point. That ain't enough. No, it ain't. Okay. Kill the squad. Go back to spawn. Actually, I might just spawn over here. want to build spawn like over there anyway, so I think it's faster than spawning on the point. Boys can run to the point though. Just gonna make. Oh, actually, it's a nice little crater that we're gonna use. Yeah, there's my AP by kill. I'm 7. Alright. This is gonna be a really hard match. It already is. Actually, let me just switch over to this one. Alright. Those cannons, or those rockets, didn't really help in aiming. Wait, I just had to reload animation. Why isn't it reloaded? Okay, thank you guys. It's friendly. Anything over here? I hear shots from up ahead. Yeah. No. Can't wait to get disappointed by the band system. Yeah, I wouldn't get your hopes up for that. I think it's gonna be similar to War Thunder, and that's we all know how that turns out. Hello there. Bye. I mean, if you could, like, they were talking about doing a preference system first. So that's, oh no. Shit. Alright. Thanks to whoever did that. But yeah, if you could build or ban a full campaign or something like that, that'd actually be cool, but I doubt that's gonna happen. We lost that point, or basically gonna get an FC in. I think you can just, at least we're talking about preference first. Like, I prefer not to play this 1 or 2 maps, I presume. I don't know how many they'll do. Yeah, an actual ban. People are pushing very hard at any cost that so they can implement the punish system. Okay. I was reading at the time. I should not have been reading there. It was a bad time to read. I mean, personally, I think that if they implement a punish system, they should do it in a way that if you leave before you spawn in, you shouldn't get a punishment. Because you'll get replaced by a real player or a bot. Anyway, and not a bot. If you leave mid-game, I think it's fair you get a punishment for that. Like, if you're spawning, you're like, I don't want to play this game out or map, or you know, I don't vibe with this general thing. I think it's fair. You should be able to get out. But if you start playing and you leave because you're losing, yeah, I think it's fair you get a punishment for that. What is firing over here? They are firing over here. Where's most people are pushing very... Oh, sorry, I already read that. We're talking about guys in police, they're gonna work something half functional lock. I don't think they'll leave a punishment system behind the paywall. Like, even Gaijin couldn't do that. Okay. Where the heck are they spawning all the way over there? Woof. Yeah, well. They were spawning over there earlier. I don't think they are anymore. You don't think so? Literally ban a single map of Warframe that you need. Oh, sorry, I was... Oh, shit. Hello there. Oh, nice, I got spawned. I was talking about the banning... Sorry. Yeah. Worse. I was talking about the punishing lever system. I mean, putting the bans behind the paywall, yeah, for sure. 100%. They will do that. They won't even be ashamed of it. They'll just straight up do it. 30 bullets, 1 kill. That's my specialty, man. Accuracy by volume. Hey, I got the kill. And I was fighting in like the middle of 5 enemies. But I did get one of them. It only cost me 30 bullets. Who needs accuracy anyway? You got 100 bullets in your gun. Oh god, okay. Just one more. It's almost over. So next time 100 bullets, no kills, watch me. I'd bet. Your rally points this... Whatever. Whatever, man. Don't need a rally point. Don't need a rally point. Jesus. My English is not improving. Gotta say, it's really humid in the room I'm at, so I am sweating my ass off. Just by sitting still and playing games. There you go, 30 bullets, 2 kills. That's like an improvement of 1. I doubled my previous score. I'd say that's really good. Understandably. Okay. Oh shit. Everywhere there's movement. Like Flammenwerfer goes. Yeah, shit. Oh, I saw shots from over there. Ace is on it. I believe Germany has been suffering since update. I mean, every nation suffers like at different times. I honestly pay no stock to that. Like last time it was USA, now it's probably German. So in like 2 weeks it will be USA. Japan always suffers because nobody plays Japan, something like that. But yeah, I don't know. I tend not to pay attention to that. Because like I said, it always I feel like it always switches around. Oh, I did get so many other kills. That's wonderful. Oop. Oop. Oh my god. Getting spawn killed. Is there a tank over there? No, that's just a Tommy gun. Oh, 2 sides. Lovely. Oh my. That's a bit much, don't you think? Hey, you say always servers not only have the worst player general. Oh my god, that's fair. That's fair though. You say always servers. Right, that was a really hard game. Holy shit. Alright. It's starting up in a second. And I need to clean something so my girlfriend can make a bread. So I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back after the ads. Let me just click a few buttons here. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, I have a return. Alright, Ace is out it seems. Let's remove from group. Okay. Let's see. Do you have any faction you want to play, Reggie? Because maybe we can actually guarantee, well, never guarantee. I can go like USSR. Yeah, USSR only plays Germany. So that's the best chance we get at snipe, I guess. Just get rid of this join any button. Wonder how it's looking, the country obesity rates. Last time Europe was around 25%. Damn. Yeah, I'm fine with anything if I can help. Alright, I'm just gonna go BR5 USSR. I need those 2 articles. That's the last one I need for the battle pass. Alright, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see if you can get him still. I think Reggie can get this match. I believe in him. How are you doing, Silent? How's it going? Me, some of the background still. Okay, whatever. Close it. It's still going. That's the important part. Yeah, I'm doing fine. Week started again, so work started up, but we got another long weekend coming over here. Watch me getting D-Day. Tractor, yeah. It is Mr. Reggie Mauro over there. Oh boy, we're defending here. Alright, this is gonna be fine. Okay, come on, let's go. Articles, I believe. Death. It's gonna be death. There we go. I gotta wait 20 minutes for my arty. 20 seconds. A minute. Game will be over in 20 minutes. There we go. Maybe we can even get spawn build before. Yeah. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. I just need to. Feels like 20 minutes. Ah, nah, it's fine. It's fine. At least the enemy didn't call RT on the place I built my. I built the thing. Thingamajig. Rally point. Please let me get like a few kills. That's all that I want. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. I killed myself with my arty. No, Reggie got 2 kills with his arty. That feels unfair. Aiming? Nah. We don't do that here. We just fire blindly and assume we hit some. Oh, hello there. You're gonna go for a rally, ain't you? Wait, we have to. Worth it. I saw you. I was about to say. Oh, there's a tank out there. Sounds like bad news for us. That's a German close. There we go. Oh shit. Reggie? No, not Reggie. I don't want to be killed by Reggie. Oh, if I didn't want to get killed by him, I should have aimed better. Oh, you ain't. Oh my god, almost got shanked. He ain't even British. Oh. Behind me. Gotcha. Yeah, it's just the articles I need. Just the articles. Hey. Hey. Hold on. Come on. Sir, please. Oh, it's Reggie. Fuck you, Reggie. Okay. Oh, I didn't get killed by Reggie yet. Emphasis on the yet. And they're planting on that one? Yeah. Oh, hello there. Full squad. Love to see it. Let's just make sure we actually get them all. There it is. Tonka. AA. I didn't aim for the AA, but that's fine. Didn't need to get the AA either. Okay. That's my bot. Come here, bot. Alright, we can just keep an eye out again for... oh shit. People really pushed out there. And are pushed back over there. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Nothing over there. Oh shit. Just looking for enemies, honestly. Oh, they're planting on the other one. Yeah, that's too deep in the gray zone. We are not getting over there. Oh, they come really? Oh, it's Reggie. Objective found. Ah, god. No. I'm not dying to fucking Reggie. God damn it, I died to fucking Reggie. Okay, I'm gonna go over there and build a new rally. Also, I'm gonna put like Archie on the other objective. I don't believe we're gonna get the other one back. 5, 4, 3. Shame on me. In my defense, I killed him twice before he killed me once. So I'm still 2-1. For now. Right. Let's build it ready over there. Enemy explodes a bomb. That does tend to happen. Hey, hold on. Who's moving over there? Why is there somebody over there? Is it Richie? It is. Oh my god. So predictable. Sounds like an excuse little Canadian guy would say, well, I can use this the excuse as well. Also, I am turn 1. I'm factually correct. Oh shit. Wait, what? There he is. Got him. Alright, I'm gonna believe that's the last of Reggie. We did not get an arty kill. Oh boy. Molotov on the point. Bombs on the point. They didn't plant, okay. It's kind of annoying because now we can't defuse it. Dude. Rip Tiger. Hello? Oh, there we go. Finally hit something. Like, there's more enemies, less chance to miss. I like that. You don't need to aim as good. As if I could do that if I wanted. Boy. I got him. Nice. Whew. Just getting that free bomb. Oh, god. Do we have any rallies? Oh, we actually do. Okay. I'm just gonna go over here and build a rally. Or I'm gonna kill some Reggie Maro. Oh, it moved like it was a Reggie. But that doesn't always tell the full story. Oh boy. Quite a bit of them. That was scary. I'm gonna say I'm 3-1 against Reggie so far. There we go. This is not a good place. Like, if they're coming from over there, which I think they are, this is gonna get destroyed so badly. Let's just at least put an AP mine on it. I am in need of ammo. Oh wait, there's just an APC over there. Straight up an APC over there. Good. Fuck you, Reggie. Okay. Target quiet. Don't care about the point. Don't care about the objective. I care about Reggie. I care about killing Reggie. Oh, you're driving back? Not on my watch, boyo. Oh my god, that didn't kill him. Alright, fair enough. 3-2 against Reggie. Let's see if this can do it. RT in 5 seconds. Oh no. No! No, don't kill my RT guys. Don't kill my RT guys. Oh, my rally got got. Okay. Okay. I see how it is. I see how it do be. Doobie. Okay, sorry. I'll behave. Boom. Yeah. Get a new rally up. Hunt down Reggie again. We're still 3-2 against Reggie, so I'm fine. This is good. I don't mind this. Okay, you guys can finish it off. Looking to go 4-2 against Reggie. Ah, god damn it. Somebody else got the APC. Reggie got one of my bots with an APC AP mine. Try to get the energy to go into enlist. Oh boy. Like AP mined by Reggie. If you don't feel like it, you shouldn't do it, man. Like you can really burn yourself out on this game. A lot of people have. Played one match in 6 days, yeah. Just take it easy. You know, if you don't feel like it, you don't have to. If you get too annoyed, go play something else. There's a lot of games out there. Don't get stuck up on the list, Ed. I still need my 2 arty kills. Kind of getting dire. Himmler 8818. Oh my god, the usernames. Slosh. You got. Oh, I bought that game recently because somebody told me I really had to buy that game. I will play it at some point. It sounds really interesting, but I just got done with oh shit, Kingdom Come Deliverance 1, and I just wanted something different, so I started playing Caves of Cut now, which has been really interesting. That's a really cool design. Wait, it's free? Oh god, I got it on the sale a bit ago. It's Reggie. It's fucking Reggie. Ha! Nice. My bot stabbed Reggie. I will not take credit for that. I think that's not fair. I'm still gonna be happy about it. But is it free on the Epic Game Store or something like that? Oh, sir. There we go. I just wanted to down the player at least, so they don't run too far ahead. I bet that AP mine was by Reggie. I bet my fucking ass on it. Oh, come on, is my arty hitting? Oh shit, who's firing? Oh no. Oh my lord, that's a lot of them. It's Reggie! Alright, so actually I'm gonna let him run. Oh no, no. It was mine, I fucking knew it. Alright, I am gonna call that one in favor of Reggie. We're 4-3 now, I got him last time. You can argue last time was like a full squad against one. But this one was as well, so that... Oh my lord. Alright. Here we go. Fair fight. Mostly full squads. Oh god. Volume accuracy. Except we're missing the accuracy. That's mainly just volume. Oh boy. Where is he? Where's the bastard? I know he's out there. I think that might be enemy arty. I don't trust that. There we go. Got the kill. Oh, what? Oh, my lord. Bejo. Somebody driving in with an APC again. Okay. Oh shit, I need to get a new rally. I forgot. Oh shit. No. No hitting me. Yeah, it's Reggie in the APC. I see it 88 millimeters. I just know it. I smell it. Let's go. Whew. Enemy aircraft. Was that an APC getting blown up? It was. Oh shit. Looking at the kill feed and not in front of me, which is generally not smart. Oh. Hello there. Over there. Downed him. Missed all my other shot, but that's fine. That one's still holding. Damn. It really do be going all ways here. Oh no, Alright, I think I can get an arty going if I respawn. Oh, hello. Okay, I died. Is there an arty in this squad? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Active battle? Nope. Love to hear it. Didn't get boomed either. Alright, 10 seconds still arty. 8, 3, 2, 1. Come on. I believe. I can believe in this arty. I think this arty will be the one. It's only like the 5th arty I've got in this game. Oh wait, you're alive? Verschloss? Nein, man. Ich will ihn noch nicht gehen. There's no one out here. Fuck me, man. I am not looking. Oh god, I should have gone over there. I really should have gone over there. Merlin H. Okay. Am I gonna... it's gonna take a while for this one to be... Oh, over there. I'm just gonna spawn in here. It will take me a while to get to the front. And hopefully in 1 minute... Oh no, they're on cooldown. They're on countdown. Oh no. Oh nein. Right. You're really point destroyed. Are they actually planting? Damn. If they managed to... Oh, it's Reggie. It do be fucking Reggie. You know what? I'm gonna count that. I'm gonna say I killed that. No, actually, no, that's unfair. But they do have another spawn over here. I don't know how I fit through that, but that's fine. Reggie Mauro times 7, that means there's 2 more. Show yourself, Reggie. Show your ass. Oh, god damn it. I knew it, I fucking knew it. I also saw that silhouette. Right, I think that's all of them. Are they more that way? AP mine more this way? Alright, I'm gonna call it 1 for me. That's 5 and 3 by my count. Jesus. Oh. 7 out. Oh no. Come on, man. 7 out of 8? You gotta be kidding me. All that time and only 1 arty kill. Alright. I'm happy I killed Reggie's rifleman squad with my Iron Man boy. 7 with 1 bullet is one hell of a shot. Oh, it's a German. A Deutscher boy. Oh. Ah, boy. Mister, please. Oh, well, I was about to kill that, but okay. Yeah, that was it. I don't know what it is, man. I'm just horrible at getting kills with the RT. Yeah. I got 1. You know, I started... When did I start enlisted? I think about 2 hours ago. With this task. being right there. I didn't fucking get it. Well, yeah, Germany has the worst players. It's one game. You can't make such a general statement on one game. Aren't you a rally point hunter? Yeah, I usually am. I try to fit to whatever the team needs. I was kind of hunting rallies there. I did get a lot of, well, a lot. I did get a few of them. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just having a horrible time with RT, as I always. Which is quite sad for me. Alright, sadly, I do have to call it there for tonight. You should have good... Yeah, it's mostly the timing. Like, I feel like I dropped my artist at like the running points, but nobody spawned in. So, then there's nobody over there. But yeah, I will have to call it there for tonight. I gotta work in the morning again. So yeah, I want to thank everybody for being here. Thank you for following, lurking, chatting, whatever the heck you did. I do appreciate it as always. I will be back on, let me think, Thursday evening, 7 PM my time. And I am gonna hand y'all over to Whiskey Frey. I don't know them. They're playing enlisted. Kill them faster so they spawn. Yeah, that's fair. Alright, I'm gonna rate this player. They're playing some low BR. I don't know them. I hope they're friendly. I hope y'all have a wonderful week. And I hope to see y'all on Thursday. Bye bye.